Pocket Option is a binary options trading platform that attracts users with its fast onboarding, low minimum deposits, and gamified interface. However, it's not regulated by any top-tier financial authority, which raises serious concerns about investor protection. And while the platform claims to use SSL encryption and comply with AML KYC standards, lack of oversight means users have limited recourse if issues arise. Common warning flags include hidden fees and withdrawal delays reported by users, aggressive marketing and unrealistic profit expectations, no coverage under major investor compensation schemes. So the verdict is Pocket Option is not a scam, but it's high risk and lightly regulated. If you're considering it, trade only with money you can afford to lose and avoid long-term exposure. For safer alternatives, look into brokers regulated by FCA, SciSec, or ASIC.